G'day, I'm Dirk from Sumo's Projects, and I wanted to take this little bit of an opportunity, time out, to hopefully wish everyone that had a good Christmas and are looking forward to a new year, 2022. And we've obviously all had a terrible time in the last 2 years with the obvious, but you know, there's hopefully time for reflection and then to look forward, and I suppose we can always just be positive and look forward to the future. So just want to say I've been grateful for the people who have kept following me on Sumo's Projects, and also Measure Twice, Cut Once, YouTube and podcast. So I haven't had as much activity in the building sense of things this year, just due to, you know, the way life is. But I have actually made quite a few things. I'll show you some pictures. And they were related to doing videos for Carbotech, so they didn't go onto my channel. Also, yeah, I was having a lot of fun with Chris, built by Chris, on the Measure Twice, Cut Once podcast. So been thoroughly enjoying that. This year we had a maker meetup in Melbourne. And that was absolutely one of the best times I've had, you know, for forever, really. So hopefully what we try to do and what we continue to focus on is to combine people, you know, be a maker community, be a, you know, friendship group of sorts. And that's been the aim and the sort of position I've taken since the day I began doing the YouTube channel, and throw a bit of comedy. You know, I've got a bit of black comedy, that's my style. Sometimes it goes through the keeper, but you know, if you get a laugh on my expense, I'm pretty happy with that. So, look, yeah, let's have a look at the video, and maybe you remember some of the footage. All right, let's get into it.
Hey guys, how you going?
Ainsley, how are you?
I am all the better for speaking to you, a lovely gentleman.
Thank you very much. We are so happy to have you on board. Dirk, what do you reckon?
Oh, for sure, Chris. It's taken a long time to get Ainsley onto the show, but you know, things
Whose fault
change.
is that?
A little bit of mine, a little bit of everyone else's.
Yeah, true. I went blind. Ainsley, she was busy. Chris, you just ignored everyone. So now we're here.
No. You were blind. Ainsley was pulling her prima donna routine. Cheers.
I'm on a tight schedule, I'm sorry.
Or, you know, stop a nuclear bomb from knocking it down. I've got flat blade screws, I've got bloody fill building other lengths. Some of the storage tubs, they're standard size, they wouldn't fit in, so, you know, instead of going ahead and buying timber and making your own.
G'day and welcome to Sumo's Projects, and welcome to this week's video about the Irwin Quick Grip Edge Clamp. On one of my recent videos, the last one actually, I was building a table and putting some breadboard ends on, and I happened to come across these little attachments that you can put on particular sizes of the Irwin clamp. So as people may know who do YouTube or woodworking or any type of craft or hobby, it can be a solitary thing. you invest a lot of time and focus into the project you're making and presenting that the best you can on the camera. Then you head over to your editing suite and, you know, just basically learn a whole new process of trying to make the best enhancements you can to the video and then release them. But certainly one of the good things was in this past year was to have a maker meetup, and this took place in Melbourne. Personally had an opportunity to shake hands and have a beer with a couple of stalwarts and legends in my eyes of the Australian maker scene, and actually, you know, they're just normal people like you and I, and also met a whole heap of other people. Some I've never met, seen, some I have. You know, it was just a really nice time, and I think hopefully next time we can make it a pretty much a big event, be it here in Melbourne or in Sydney, Brisbane, anywhere. So looking forward to doing that again. Do you want to go out for brekkie one morning, mate?
I tell you what, one place I've been dying to go to, the Garnies.
The Garnies?
Love it. I've seen so many good pictures and you know, I want to go to the Garnies.
Make a bit of plastic go square. Got to check it with one of these real ones. Whoa. I tell you what, might be a little bit out. Got to get a refund on these. What are they supposed to do anyway? Oh, it's pretty close. I'll let you off this time, Dana. Good job, mate. There you go, guys. It's a little bit of a look back on the past in looking forward to the future. Next year I've got going to continue on doing what I'm doing, committed to the podcast and that. Also some more tour reviews coming up. I've been approached by a couple of places to do tour reviews, so I'll endeavour to do that. And also make some more build videos for my channel. And hope to see you all back there with me next year. So have a great New Year's Eve, and Sumo will be back next year. Hooroo!